Alrighty. So we want to know how tall the ladder is, and here's the ladder. It's the hypotenuse. This is the one that is adjacent or close. So we're going to use cosine close because they're right there, maybe little c, or adjacent over hypotenuse. Any of those things are fine. So we're going to set up the cosine of 50 is equal to 14 over L. So we're going to multiply by L and then divide by cos of 50. I'm going to plug that into our calculator. So 14 divided by cos of 50 is 21.78 as our answer for the letter. Ooh, another little guy. So we have a square, we have a diagonal, its length is 20. So I need to go from here, oh, no, just kidding. Side length is 20. It's even easier. So these are both 20, so that should be a 45, right? And if you remember that, that's a 1 root 2. So 20 root 2 is what we're looking for. Okay, so for this one here, a couple of different things. Hopefully you're remembering that in a quadrilateral, if it's inscribed, that these two guys are supplementary. Now, say you didn't remember that. It's all right, it's all good. This is inscribed. Hopefully you remember that inscribed is half of the arc. So 98 times 2 is 196. So that means that this other arc is minus, oops, 360 minus 196. So that means this is 164. And so this is then half, which is 82. Now, what I was saying was that if this is inscribed quadrilateral, that these guys here are supposed to be supplementary to each other. So you can figure it out the long way, or you can just remember that rule. These are also then supplementary, so 180 minus 93 is 87. So those are all the missing angles. And then the measure of arc DB. This is tricky. When I did the key, I just found this one because I don't know, I always go that way around the theme. But when I did that, I found that that was 93 times 2, which is 186, and that can't be the answer because then I would have needed to say DCB. If you're just say 2 there, it needs to be indicating the minor arc DB. So that actually is this one over here, which is in fact 87 times 2, which is 174. So my key was actually incorrect on there. Daisy is the one who told me about that today, so go Daisy.